discrimination, and what you need to know. This presentation is being provided to inform you, our managers, about discrimination and the laws associated with it. It is your duty to know these laws and how to protect the company. Discrimination is covered under Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Discrimination is any adverse action toward protected classes involving hiring decisions, promotions, pay and/or raises, and more. Unlawful employment practices include, but are not limited to, failing to or refusing to hire or discharge any individual with respect to compensation, terms, conditions, or privileges of employment based on that person's race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. This is not the entire scope of the law, as discrimination comes in many forms. Other types of discrimination include age, disability, pregnancy, sex, sexual orientation, and more. Basically, when making any business decisions that involve employees or prospective employees, there can be no bias toward or against any individual based on the aforementioned statuses. The EEOC, otherwise known as the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, is tasked with enforcing anti-discrimination laws. There are many unlawful practices, and they include placing a job advertisement that shows a preference for or discourages anyone from applying for the position, attempting to recruit employees in a way that discriminates against applicants based on their protected class, refusing to distribute applications based on the applicant's age, race, religion, or other protected class. Promotions, assignments, pay, and benefits cannot be administered in such a way that it shows a bias against a protected class. Discipline and termination must not show discrimination based on protected classes. If a violation occurs, the same punishment must be administered to all employees committing the violation. The employer must provide a reasonable accommodation for those with disabilities, so long as it does not put any undue hardship on the employer. Employees have the right to a non-discriminatory workplace and job search. They are to be given a harassment-free environment in which to work and provide for their families. All applicants must be given the same opportunity regardless of their race, religion, age, disability, or any protected class. Posters stating these laws and regulations are required to be placed in view of all employees. Employers who do not comply with discrimination laws governed by the EEOC can face penalties and fines and possible imprisonment.